Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you need to replace your back motor. Pretty simple, this is how you do it. So you've got 6 Phillips head screws and washers that are holding your back motor housing plate onto your recovery tank. We got to remove those first. Now be sure to brace the plate when you take out this last screw, just like that. Now we want to unplug the vac motor, so just take it, press down on the little clip, unplug it. Now there are 3 5mm Allen head screws that are holding the vac motor in place. We need to remove those. And now we can remove the vac motor from the machine. At this time, you can replace your vac motor. If your vac motor is good, you just need to replace the gasket. Go ahead and peel this one off. Get your new one, it just sticks right there. And your sound dampening foam. If this is worn or damaged in any way, you can replace that right now as well. Now reinstalling is just the same way you took it out. Take your vac motor and make sure you line up the holes. All right, make sure they're tight. Now, take and plug your back motor back in, just like that. Now, we can take the back motor housing plate and put that back on. And all you have to do now is make sure that these 6 Phillips head screws are nice and tight. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.